In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano for AI advertising. We'll move through a simple flow that takes you from a blank browser to generating ad-ready visuals, and I'll share practical tips along the way so your results look polished and on-brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This keeps things straightforward and ensures you're using the most up-to-date links. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. Using this exact phrase helps you get to the official page quickly and avoids any confusing third-party results that might look similar but aren't what we need. From the results, click the official Google Gemini website. You're looking for the experience where you can create content directly within Gemini's interface. Once you're in, find and click the Create Image option. This is the key moment. That button activates Nano enabling image generation features designed to support AI-driven advertising visuals. If the interface looks slightly different from what you expect, stay calm and scan for the image creation entry point. Google occasionally refreshes layouts, but the functionality remains the same. Next, it's time to craft your prompt. Think of your prompt as a creative brief in a single sentence or two. You can use a product-focused example like, Black Oraimo earpods tower at monumental scale in the center of a futuristic city plaza, designed like a striking installation piece. This structure works well for advertising because it specifies the product, the scale, the setting, and the overall vibe. To adapt it for your brand, describe the product clearly, define the environment, set a mood or style, and if helpful, mention lighting or composition cues such as dramatic lighting, cinematic angle, or clean studio backdrop. The more concrete and descriptive the language, the more consistent your results will be. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit. Gemini will process your request and with Nano active, generate visual options based on your description. Give it a moment to render. If the first result isn't quite right, refine the prompt rather than starting over. Small adjustments, like changing futuristic city plaza to minimal white exhibition space or swapping monumental scale for handheld close-up, can steer the output dramatically while keeping your original concept intact. That's the full workflow. Google, search Google Gemini. Open the official site, click Create Image to activate Nano write a clear prompt and submit. Keep your prompts specific, stay consistent with brand tone, and iterate thoughtfully. With this approach, you'll produce compelling, on-message visuals ready for high-performing AI advertising.